Hey, Dan here. It's Saturday, August 20th, 2026. I'm on top of a roof. We live in attached villas here, one person on one side, one on the other, separated by a concrete block firewall. We have radiant barrier attached to the underside of our trusses. Our neighbor doesn't. And we're being told that we're cooking our roof shingles. Hey, let's find out. Okay, this is our roof. I'm going to walk across this short span. At the halfway point, it'll be the neighbors. They don't have attic barrier. Let's see what happens. 156.9, 157, 157.8, 158, 158 and a half, 161, 161, 160. We're at the halfway point of the house. Now we're over our neighbors. They don't have radiant barrier. 162, 162 and a half, 161, 161, 162, 158. For those of you who think that radiant barrier cooks shingles, let's do it again. We're on the neighbor's side. They don't have radiant barrier. 163, 161, 161, 161, 161, 158. We're now at the halfway point of the house. Let's keep going. 157, 158, 158, 159. You be the judge, but I don't think that installing radiant barrier properly will make your shingles cook.